Hello friends, I have already uploaded a thorough video to explain how does this application works, and in which I have explained all the different tabs in this mobile application. But this small video is dedicated to uh, how to check homeworks, like how to check, view, edit, delete homeworks that I have already uploaded as an admin or as a class teacher. So first, let us see how to upload homework. We'll come to the homework upload tab. Class, suppose I want to upload homework for class 1, section A. Suppose the subject is English. I want to attach image, so I can either crop the image like this, or suppose and I can also choose multiple images like 1, 2, 3, select. So I can upload multiple images. If I wish, I will press upload, and this will be uploaded in class 1 homework for English. Or if I wish, I can attach PDF. I can pick documents. I will come to a place where I can find, okay, pick documents in drive, my drive. Suppose this document I want to, this I will select them, and when I press upload, all the documents that I have chosen will be automatically uploaded for class 1A in subject English. So once I upload the homeworks, I can go and check in view homework, suppose for class 1 or class 2, class 2A 5. So this is showing the homework of class 2nd A for 5th of August. But suppose I want to check or view a homework which I uploaded a few days ago, but I do not remember the date. Then in that case, I can use a keyword. The keyword may be the name of the homework, the name of the subject, the topic of the subject. Suppose I want to search all the homeworks in EVS so far. So as soon as I type something here, suppose I type EVS and press view, it will fetch all the records of EVS irrespective of date. Date will be ignored. If I write something here, if I write a keyword here, a filter here, and then press view, it will ignore the date. It will ignore 5th of August. Now it will search all the homework of class 2nd A with keyword EV. And EV can be anything. It can be the name of the subject, or the title of the homework. While uploading a homework, I need to type something, type a title, a content. So this EV can be from that title, or this EV can be the subject, the name of the subject. So anything, I will press view and it will upload all the homeworks with this keyword EV. So date will be ignored. Or if I want to check date wise, I'll simply remove this and class 2A, so it will show me the homework of 5th August. If I want to check for 4th of August, it will show me the homework of 4th of August. So I can view homework, and then I can edit by clicking this edit button, or I can delete this homework by clicking this delete button. So this is how it works. It's very easy to use, and it is accessible to everybody, all these tabs. If suppose I am a teacher, and when I press view homework and it says access not authorized, then as a teacher, I will go to the admin. I will ask the admin to give me the permission. What will the admin do? Admin will press the view homework tab, long press. The admin will long press the view homework tab, and then he will have a page in which the accessibility of that particular tab is defined. Like view homework tab, super has access, admin has access, principal has access, operation has access, user has access, teacher has access. Now suppose I do not want to give right of this tab to a user, so I will click on user, and now if the user wants to open this tab, he will not be able to open. So suppose I want to remove the right for this page to the teachers, I'll click here, and now it is not checked, so teacher will not be able to access this tab. So this way I can modify the accessibility of all the different tabs here. So this is how it works, and I think this presentation video helps. Thanks a lot.